Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Tuesday, July 4th, 2023. It is 7:03 and 12 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, unique cell receptor. So let's come to it here. Researchers identify unique cell receptor, potential for new therapies. An internationally collaborative endeavor identified a new receptor in the intestine, opening the door to utilization of disease treatment. Date July 1st, 2023. Source, University of Colorado. Researchers have identified a potential new immune checkpoint receptor that can lead to treatments for diseases such as lung and bowel cancer and autoimmune conditions, including inflammatory bowel disease. Researchers examined a family of 13 receptors or proteins that transmit signals for cells to follow colon killer cell immunoglobulin-like receptors. Of the 13 receptors, one is unique that has not readily been observed on immune cells of peripheral blood. Researchers identified that this mysterious receptor, called killer cell immunoglobulin-like receptors, 3DL3, is found in the intestine and lungs, suggesting it can provide signals specifically required by immune cells that are resident in the mucosal tissues. And this one that is very specific to T cells and certain tissues, that is something that may be able to be leveraged medicinally, opening the door for potential new therapies. Researchers were able to determine the tissue distribution of the elusive killer cell immunoglobulin receptor, 3DL3 receptor, by searching for a sequence of nucleotides specific to killer cell immunoglobulin receptor 3DL3 in public RNA sequencing databases. After developing a short list of probable tissues where killer cell immunoglobulin receptor 3DL3 could be expressed, they collaborated with laboratory groups in the United Kingdom that created a killer cell immunoglobulin receptor 3DL3 specific antibody and colleagues from the University of Colorado School of Medicine who supplied the tissues. After this antibody, the researchers confirmed killer cell immunoglobulin receptor 3DL3 protein expression was rare in peripheral blood and most common in the intestine. And to assess the functional attributes of killer cell immunoglobulin receptor 3DL3 expressing cells, the researchers used flow cytometry and single-cell RNA sequencing. And these approaches identified killer cell immunoglobulin receptor 3DL3 expression in a unique population of T cells with hallmarks suggestive of recent activation. In a series of functional experiments, they found that when killer cell immunoglobulin receptor 3DL3 is activated by its binding partner, HHLA2, it transmits a signal that can inhibit immune responses. As killer cell immunoglobulin cell receptor 3DL3 marks a very unique cell population, and accessing its role is a very exciting discovery. We now have a new tool at our disposal. Whenever a unique cell population is discovered, we want to know how these cells affect disease. Can we further our understanding and design new therapies or treatments? With this knowledge, our findings present the opportunity to see how best we can utilize this receptor, work that is ongoing in the laboratory. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.